going to St. Lucia for 5 nights, 6 days. It's gonna be a vibe.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky.
Boarding through gate number 9 holds, and boarding is scheduled 10:15, and it's also open seating. Alright, that's it.
Thank you. We're going to board the plane now. I can't wait to get there because I'm just so tired. I finished my hair at around 2:30 in the morning. Didn't go to bed until about 4 o'clock.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me now demonstrate to you the safety features of this aircraft. We have 4 emergency exits on this aircraft. The 4 doors for feature venter, 2 over the wings and 1 row 8 on the right side of the cabin.
We're here.
Lemongrass and Center Coton.
Thank you.
Selector, bounce a one for the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your hand. You play song for girl star bus blank. How the girl them time, play song for girl white. Watch, big selector a play, you no rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it, you a funny man. If you not happy, follow me then. Girl and a show, so me glad me come out. Ready for left, what you talking about? Road me lit.
We are here. The room isn't ready as yet, so we're just at the restaurant getting something to eat really quickly. But this resort is bare vibes so far. It looks really pretty. The people seem nice. Did you say this drink is called?
Mango pop.
Mango?
Mango pop. P.O.P.
Oh, POP. Mango pop. Our room is finally ready. We're gonna see what it looks like inside. It's so pretty. So when you come in, on your left is the bathroom. It has the double sink and a shower and a toilet, nothing much. We have our closet. The bag just got brought up. I was literally just complaining about how they weren't here yet, but we offered to take them up. But yeah, they're here now, so that's what that matters. It has a safe in there as well, and yeah, we also have where I'm going to be enjoying the most, our mini fridge that is fully stocked. Whoops, a Waterfall. It's all inclusive, so we have beers, some wine, juices, soft drinks, water, and you can just tell them exactly what it is you prefer to have in your fridge so that they don't bring things that you won't really drink. And then we have the king size bed, and right in front of it is the TV. There's also some cupboard space. You can fold away your clothes if you want to. And then over here, I think this is really like great because usually when you go in like hotel rooms, you literally just have to do your makeup in front of the mirror in the bathroom. But this little station gives you that comfortable space to sit down and chill out while you do your makeup, that kind of stuff. And then this is just a little living space. We have, how do I even open this stuff? That's all. The patio. The room now. We basically just toured the resort a bit, went into the water, grabbed some drinks. We even got burger and fries on the way back up to the room from the English pub, and now we are going to get ready to go to, I think it's pronounced Groile or Grossile, the Friday night street party. We're going there. I'm ready to go. I haven't put on makeup or anything because, as I said, I'm tired. I haven't even done my edges. But it's fine, we move. I want to see what it's like, so let's go.
We are rave and a wait, and the sun figure out. Bubble gala bubble, 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 bubble gala bubble. Alright then, y'all left on head top and spin like it. Me have to ask if some of them like it. Watch the one.
It's morning.
I'm heading over to breakfast right now. I want to go to the restaurant that has the a la carte breakfast and not the buffet. So yeah, I need to fill my belly. Last night after we went to Grande, it was really fun, by the way. Like, the vibes there were impeccable. I really enjoyed it there. When we left there, we came back to the resort and we went and got fish and chips. Well, I got fish and chips. But, good morning. But now, I woke up 8 hours later. I'm hungry again. Like, do you know how good it feels to wake up and not have to worry about like making breakfast and stuff? Like, you just, you know, just stroll up, just pull up and get fed. I'm loving this. Just finished getting ready for dinner. Sorry I went MIA. I feel like all I've done today was eat a lot, then come back to the room and sleep pretty much. And now I've recently woken up, had a shower to get ready again to eat once again. So pretty much all this vlog is going to consist of is me eating. But I haven't put any makeup. I just filled in my brows and did my edges a bit because my sister told me I should, but apart from that, I'm not putting on any makeup. It's just hot. Oh yeah, lip gloss. It's hot.
Nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl one with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can I blow a breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless.
Good morning, everyone. Last night was such a vibe. This morning we're trying to figure out what excursions we want to do. Because I'm not gonna lie, I've been really comfortable on the resort. Like, everything's just been there because it's all inclusive. Entertainment has been good. Everything's been great, right? But I'm in St. Lucia, so I want to experience things that you can only experience in St. Lucia. I want to go and see some parts of the island. So that's what we're gonna try and figure out this morning. I haven't eaten yet, so I need to go and eat. But let me show you the fit for today. Oh yeah, I need to put mousse in my hair as well. But I'm just wearing a bathing suit and then this two-piece cover-up over it. It's not even a cover-up, whatever, but I'm wearing it as a cover-up. I've changed my mind. I was gonna come out and do some pool volleyball, but now I think I might do some water sports. I'm gonna go and see what they have that I can sign up for on it, so that I can find something to do.
5 minutes later.
We're going kayaking. Send help.
So far, j'ai mon
Thank you.
How do you even know how to do it? He didn't even say how you do it. He was just like, go, have fun. Don't move. No, it's not even moving. Hold on. Let me try again. So that right there is Pigeon Island. And it's right next to the resort. We might hike up it in a few days' time. We'll see. We just finished with the kayaking and I really love that. It was such a peaceful experience. Like, there's something about the ocean that just makes me feel so humbled. So I've just ordered blackened mahi and it's coming with fried plantain, which I love, and coleslaw. So yeah, and I'm just waiting for that. I also got a brandy fruit punch. This is what I have now. Basically, I had to reorder food from the jerk shack instead because I ordered mahi mahi with fried plantain, but the plantain was in some kind of like batter. Nah, I don't do that. So I decided to just get something that I know, which is the jerk chicken and vegetables. We're basically playing checkers with chess because we don't know how to play chess. And she's trying to eat me like this. Hold on, this is me and she's trying to do this. To eat me, bro. Like...
In the crib, mom. Drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. Drop it like it's hard. Kids try to get it. Park it like it's hard. Park it like it's hard. Park it like it's hard. If a nigga get an attitude, pop it like it's hard. Pop it like it's hard. Pop it like it's hard. Got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I roll up that sleeve 'cause I got it going on. I'm a nice dude with some nice cream. See these ice cubes. See these ice creams. Eligible bachelor. $1 million bowl. That's whiter than best spilling down your...
We just heard some music up the road and apparently there's something going on, some carnival event at Grande. So we're gonna get ready really quickly and go up there. We're kind of tipsy, so it might take some time, but I plan on getting ready in about half an hour at least. It's 4:45 now, so by 15:15 I should be ready. Time me. I don't even know who I was fooling with that half an hour talk. It's like 1:30. Well, almost 1:30. It's like 26 minutes past, so I was like 10 minutes over the time, right? But let me tell you something real quick while I do my edges. So I put on my cute ass dress. Lo and behold, there is a hole. Where the zip is, there is a hole there. So I called down to the operator because usually resorts have little sewing kits that they give you. And when I called her, she said to me that they don't have them. I said, doesn't housekeeping have those little sewing kits? And she said, the last time she checked, they didn't have any. I said, do you mind finding out if they have any? So she puts me on hold and she calls them. Then she tells me, oh, it will be up to your room shortly. Like, can you check first before telling me no? Like, I'm having a crisis because I have a hole in my dress and I'm trying to go out within half an hour knowing that who's really going to get ready in half an hour? Not me. But yeah, so that has to come up to the room. Then I have to take off my dress to try and sew the hole. But anyways, at least the problem will be resolved. But we're basically going to some carnival event because we heard the music from the resort and we asked some questions. And apparently it's going on until around 7. Our dinner reservation isn't until 8:30 tonight, so we're gonna see if we can make that party of it and then come back. We'll see how it goes. We were supposed to go to the carnival party that I was telling you guys about, but we can't really hear the music up there much anymore. So one of the workers recommended to us to go to Pigeon Island. They said on the weekends that's where everyone goes. So we're gonna walk over there because it's literally right next to us. The rain's falling though, and the clouds, if you can see right over there, are set up very heavy. We couldn't see the mountains just now, but now we can see them a bit. So yeah, we've got umbrellas. We're gonna go over there and see what it's like and enjoy. Yeah, thanks. And we're just pre-drinking, I guess.
Exterior like Lucian, the interior like suicide wrestling. I can exercise you, this could be your phys ed. Cheat on your man, wanna how you get a his head. Killer with the beat, I'm the killers in the street, but you still to make you feel like you chillin' in the heat. So don't try to get it, get it, get it, get it.
crying internally right now because the chef was throwing, you know, those basketball shots that people do with the food when they throw into your mouth and you catch it with your mouth. So he did that with me twice and it missed both times. So I'm crying from embarrassment. And I was like opening my mouth like shark. Good morning. It's so pretty outside. We're going on excursions today. We're supposed to be leaving here at 8:45. So right now we're just heading to breakfast and then I need to go back to the room so that I can actually get ready. But yeah. Ooh, this floor is mad slippery. This is the boat right here. We're about to get on now.
Guys, you have to be very good to the captain because he's responsible for taking us down to the south and back safely. How about a round of applause for your captain coming up? And right here we have Clyde in the pink shirt. Alright? And I am Rastadi. Okay guys, if you're wondering about life jackets, just letting you guys know that we only have enough for captain and crew.
Tea house up north or near the coast through the bay, there's both. Spend this bread on jewels or spend it on smoke, man, spend it on both. Count up this money from O or money from shows, man, count up both. Patch in the pattern business and a pattern up home, man, pattern them both. Fresh jam me up for works and smoke, trying to do it for both. They want me back on soul, choosing chips and rash, and a pattern me both. But I'm on roll, yeah, the bones brown ones, I get loving from both. Money young set sesh, just let a young nigga go govern up both. Me and T-Buck see 2 ups and amazing, we ended up doing up both. Too much beef on the streets, we're hitting 2 blocks, we're shooting up both. I know feds want me back up in court, sat in front of the judge.
Look at the pitons, guys. I didn't know it was included in this tour, so I'm excited about getting to see it. We're gonna do some snorkeling. I look crazy as hell.
How many times in Joe was it bread and oats, put peanut butter and pork? So they said that I'm a king of Joe, rap, I'm doing it all. Everywhere and everywhere the gang smoky, let the gang then bring it on tour. Every day I hear niggas trying to draw me out, why they all want me to war? 4-4 long of that poison the slopes, didn't want to bring it us off.
I'm just gonna see if I can buy something for my daughter, like a pretty dress. Or something she's like, oh, this green one is so cute. So cute. Yeah, I think I want that one for her. Or this blue one as well.
Tea house up north or near the coast through the bay, there's both. Spend this bread on jewels or spend it on smoke, man, spend it on both. Count up this money from O or money from shows, man, count up both. Patch in the pattern business and a pattern up home, man, pattern them both. Fresh jam me up for works and smoke, trying to do it for both. They want me back on soul, choosing chips and rash, trying to pattern me both. But I'm on road, yeah, the front brown ones, I get love from both. Money young, set sesh, just let a young nigga go govern up both. I just died up both.
Absolutely beautiful. This water is actually freezing cold, but I'm at an actual waterfall. This is so gorgeous. That was so nice. The water was freezing cold though. But we're going to the Sulphur Springs next. So just gonna get in the taxi that we came up in.
How many long afternoons did I spend in the tea just bagging up both? Jayla scrambling eggs in the kettle, just wishing I could have it with toast. I'm gonna tell you all week was a Sunday roast rice.
It's nice and warm. It does feel nice. I want to tie up my hair so I can go in.
First time me locked for a time, evidence I never find. Like you're cool. I was trying to get rich or die, fuck trying. I'd rather be dead than poor. I'm really out trying to govern it all. Money, power, respect, and more.
My phone died earlier. I'm currently at dinner and there's someone playing the steel pan. He's amazing. I just peeped the menu and I know I have to get the lamb for sure. Thank you. It's hella dark. I finished my dinner at Bayside. That's the French restaurant. As you saw, I had the ratatouille and the lamb shank. It was absolutely delicious. Oh my gosh. Now I'm just heading over to Soy, which is the sushi restaurant, to meet my friends because they wanted to get sushi. They've ordered me something as well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna pretend. I don't know if I'm gonna eat it because it's like, girl, have you just had dinner and now you're having a main course for dessert as well? Like, then you wonder why your back is so big. Like, just relax a bit.
Thank you for the water. I'll be back with something more for you. Let's move on to this one.
Morning, guys. It's 8:30 and I'm about to head to breakfast, but first I'm just sitting on in the patio enjoying the view for a bit because it's absolutely stunning, and I can't believe this is our final full day. We're here tomorrow, but we're flying tomorrow as well. So today is a day that I'm going to try to maximize every single second of the day. This morning I'm going to have a seasonal fruit plate, and then for my, let me say main for breakfast, but you know what I mean. That's my little starter thing. And then for my main for breakfast, I think I'm going to have, actually, I don't know. I might get the vegetable omelette with some pancake. I know since I've been here, the portion sizes have been perfect. I don't want to say small. I mean, they have been small, but I feel like they've been perfect because I've been eating a lot. But now for this breakfast, they want to come and give me all of this. Who's going to eat all of this? That's crazy. It looks good though. Look at the pancakes. We're back from breakfast and I just got ready to go over to the pool now. I'm probably going to hit the pool, but I'll get some drinks. Not too much because I don't want to waste the day, as I said, by falling asleep from being drunk tired.
What is the name of the biggest technology company in South Korea? What is the name of the biggest technology company in South Korea? I saw your hand. I saw your hand first. Samsung, and that is correct. Great job.
Remember the other night when the staff member told us to go over to Pigeon Island instead of the Carnival event they had going on? So we went there based on her recommendation and we met some people. And today now, one of the guys that we met are going to take us over to Rodney Bay. I think you can do like shopping and stuff there. And he's also going to take us to other hotspots. We're at the marina. Yeah, look at the view. Oops, am I going the wrong way? Hold on. This is the right way. So nice. I'm the first person to be ready for dinner, so I'm heading over to the restaurant to make sure that our reservation will still be secured, and then the rest will come over as well. So for my starter I have, what's this soup called again? Butternut squash. Curried butternut squash. Yeah, that's it. That's what I got. Claire has shrimp. And Dario has, what do you have?
That is the garlic shrimp.
Garlic shrimp. And Mark copied me. The bread smack. We are leaving today, so this is the last chance I'm gonna get to have breakfast by this pool in this restaurant in the morning. Well, for now, not forever. But I'm a bit sad. I'm gonna attempt to hike up Pigeon Island, which is right there.
5 minutes later.
So the day that we finally decided to do this hike, it's pouring raining. And I mean, it's been raining since we've been here, but it'll rain for like a few seconds or minutes and then stop, and that's it. Back to normal programming. But nah, today is pouring rain. Like pouring rain. Look at the sky. It's not gonna clear up anytime soon. But I mean, we're still having fun. By the airport. I'm really sad to be leaving and I really love St. Lucia. But yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.